thank the school for inviting me here today as a special guest. I know all of you are really waiting for the program to begin, so I won't take up much of your time. My memories of my school days are very special to me. These are the most carefree days of your life, believe me. What I remember most is studying, playing with my friends, participating in sports, activities, concerts, comparing programs, the annual day, etc. etc. It sounds pretty much the same as what all of you are doing today. But our lives were pretty simple back then. For example, I remember we got a television at home only when I was in the first standard. That was a black and white set with only one channel, Doordarshan, no remote. We used to watch Chitrahar on Thursdays and Star Trek and one movie on Sundays, that's it. I don't know if the children can even imagine something like that. I also remember the day we got a refrigerator at home when I was in the 4th standard. The telephone, landline connection only when I was in college, and a computer at home, I think after I got married. I'm sure one of the children is going to stand up and ask me, did you see any real dinosaurs back then? But today all the children you are born with all of these things at home. So you cannot imagine life without it. With all that, I think we had as much fun in our school days as you are having today. We found happiness in doing things with our friends, playing outdoors, and inventing new games to play. You have to be very creative when you don't have much of a choice in just going to a shop and buying a new game or a toy or something. We used to just hang a tire from a tree and play for hours. Today you play on the computer for hours. But I would request all the children to have some physical activity, go down and play with your friends for at least a couple of hours in the evening. It will really refresh you, body and mind. So, speaking of friends, the friends you make in these growing up years of your life, you will never forget. However much you may fight with each other today, but this bonding that you have will last you for a lifetime. I could reconnect with some of my old school friends thanks to Facebook. And though we haven't spoken in years, but still now we chat just as easily as if we parted just yesterday. I feel your friends and your family, these are the best part of your growing up years, so please cherish them. Speaking of myself, we have shifted to Chennai only recently, and we are loving this city. My children are loving every minute of being in this school. And I feel what makes Harishri special is the teachers. They have an open mind. They actually listen to what you children have to say, and they give you quite a bit of a freedom of choice in what you want to do. Please respect that freedom also. And participate in all the activities that the school is organizing for you. Enjoy it to the fullest, because the learning from these experiences, whether it's sports, drama, music, camping trips, field trips, whatever it is, that learning is as important in building your personality as studies is for your future. That's all I wanted to share with you. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the rest of it.